But hi guys, hope you're all doing okay. Today we're going to be going over the activity pack we have for the recycling. All we need to do is we have some gloves, we're going to be giving you a plant, we have some arts and craft supplies, and we're going to go ahead and use those. Okay, so we managed to find a yogurt pot in our recycling. Now we're going ahead and clean it. So you just get some fairy liquid, put it on your sponge, easy peasy. You wash it out, just make sure it's all nice and clean. Now you take your dry container, you get some scissors, you just make a nice hole in the top to help out with the drainage with the pot. So with the items we found around the centre, or obviously in your case your home, we're going to decorate our pot. So now you have your newly decorated pot, we need to put on some gloves, which is what we've got, and you need to just fill up the pot with some compost. We only want to put in about a quarter to halfway, just because obviously we want to contain all of the soil from the actual plant into it. So we just pour it in, you want to get as much as you can, ta-da. And you want to get about this much. So now we take our plant, you want to put your two fingers beside the stem, you just flip it over, slowly lift it out, and then you can now place it in there with no fuss. There you go, you've got a little plant. So now all you need to do is water your plant and you're finished.